We will see how to actually generate money online. Working online is the only way to quickly achieve financial freedom only if your strategy is successful. You don't have to reinvent the wheel, you just have to replicate an already winning formula step by step, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. First, you need a product to sell. Don't think about the physical product or drop shipping, think about speed and efficiency. The solution is digital products such as PLR. PLR means digital products with resale rights. Today you don't need to write a book, you can become an author in less than 2 minutes with professionally written books that you can own and put your name on if you want. You can resell it thousands of times without any limits, and this will allow you to create a huge income depending on your marketing. The PLR ebook provider website offers these resaleable digital products. You just have to choose the one you like and start your business. Now for those who want to become the owner of an e-commerce website and sell in bulk. PLR ebook provider has the franchise option, which will allow you to receive a website already built and designed, including hundreds of popular digital products ready to be sold internationally. I put the link in the description or bio. Just visit PLR ebook provider today to start making money online.